I know it's ugly turning on the news. There's people fighting over point of view. Sometimes it's like there's nothing left to lose, and I don't know what to do, but I know it's better with you. I was a wreck when you came along, when there was
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're doing well. Today I have for you a collab with a new friend of mine on YouTube. Her name is Valarie and her channel is called gimmelip&more, and I have really enjoyed her channel. I've just known her for a little while and she graciously asked me to collab with her, and of course I said yes. And so we've been having a little bit of a powwow on DM through Instagram, and we decided that we were going to use this beautiful palette by Juvia's Place, the Masquerade palette. But I did want to tell you a little bit more about Valarie, and I will link her up in the cards and also down in the description box. And I will also list some of her videos that I've really enjoyed. One thing that I appreciate her in particular is that she can dupe anything, and she has lots of dupe videos. She takes a palette and she finds singles of those colors and dupes it. So I call her the dupe queen in my own mind. I don't know if I've ever told her that, but I think that's really cool that she does dupe videos. She's also very into quilting, so that's a super challenge as far as I'm concerned, because that's very tedious and very intricate work, so I appreciate that very much. She and I are shoe and perfume addicts, and that's cool, so I knew we were kindred spirits whenever I found that out. And finally, I wanted to say that I just got through watching one of her videos, and she is doing some no-buy kind of stuff. She's got some no-buy goals for this year, and she has vowed to not buy a lip product at all. So that's a super challenging endeavor, so I'm anxious to see how that works out for her. I don't know if I could do it. But anyway, please go check her out. Like I said, I will list some of her videos below and her channel. She's very sweet. She's just very interesting, and I think you'll really enjoy her channel. So with no further ado, I did want to say that I am going to use a transition shade from the Jeffree Star palette. Courtney is the name of the color, because there's not one that's quite light enough for me to start with. And I also have been watching videos, and I did draw some inspiration from those videos, and there was one young lady in particular that I really liked her look, and I'm kind of do my own spin on that look, but I do want to give credit where credit is due, and I'm drawing a blank on her name right now, so I'll put it in the annotations and I'll list the video, the inspiration video, down below for you. So let's get into this Juvia's Place palette. I'm excited about it because I haven't used this in a really long time, and I think I've only used this once or twice, and I wasn't that impressed. And so everybody just raves about Juvia's Place. I feel like maybe I didn't give it a fair shot. So whenever we decided to use this palette, I was excited because I've been anxious to kind of give it a second go around. So here we go, you guys.
Sometimes it's like there's nothing left to lose, and I don't know what to do, but I know it's better with you. I was a wreck when you came along, when there was nothing left. You showed me the best. I'm still a mess, but you hold on. Don't know just why you do, but I know I'm better with you. 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 For every laugh there is a silent cry. For every day there is a darker night. Sometimes this life doesn't treat us right, and I don't know what to do, but I know it's better with you. I was a wreck when you came along, when there was nothing left. You showed me the best. I'm still a mess, but you hold on. Don't know just why you do, but I know I'm better with you. But I know I'm better with you. Wherever you are, it's never as dark. Whenever I start slipping, you make all the difference. Been there from the start. No matter how hard, whatever piece is missing, you know how to fix it. I was a wreck when you came along. When there was nothing left, you showed me the best. I'm still a mess, but you hold on. Don't know just why you do, but I know I'm better with you. But I know I'm better with you. But I know I'm better with you. I know it's ugly turning on the news. There's people fighting over point of view. Sometimes it's like there's nothing left to lose, and I don't know what to do, but I know it's better with you. I was a wreck when you came along. When there was nothing left, you showed me the best. I'm still a mess, but you hold on. Don't know just why you do, but I know I'm better with you. 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 For every laugh there is a silent cry. For every day there is a darker night. Sometimes this life doesn't treat us right, and I don't know what to do, but I know it's better with you. I was a wreck when you came along. When there was nothing left, you showed me the best. I'm still a mess, but you hold on. Don't know just why you do, but I know I'm better with you. But I know I'm better with you. But I know I'm better with you. Wherever you are, it's never as dark. Whenever I start slipping, you make all the difference. Been there from the start. No matter how hard, whatever piece is missing, you know how to fix it. I was a wreck when you came along. When there was nothing left, you showed me the best. I'm still a mess, but you hold on. Don't know just why you do, but I know I'm better with you. But I know I'm better with you. But I know I'm better with you. I know it's ugly turning on the news. There's people fighting over point of view. Sometimes it's like there's nothing left to lose, and I don't know what to but I know it's better with you. I was a wreck when you came along. When there was nothing left, you showed me the best. I'm still a mess, but you hold on. Don't know just why you do, but I know I'm better with you. 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 For every laugh there is a silent cry. For every day there is a darker night.
Alright guys, I struggled with that spotlight eye. I tried. I think it still looks okay. I think I can go out in public, but whoo, I need to practice that more, and probably not when I'm doing a collab would probably be a good plan. But anyway, I did what I could. As far as the Masquerade palette, guys, it performed beautifully. I am super impressed with it. I don't know why I didn't care for it the first couple times I used it, but I do think it's very pretty. I'm going to go in with a pinky nude lip. I'm going to use my Dolly Danger lip liner and my Mare by MAC for my lipstick. Okay folks, this is the final look. I am going to go do something with my hair, grab a jacket, and get out of here to go grocery shopping. It's my last day before I finish Christmas break. So I will be back with my hair done and all that jazz, so I'll be back in a minute. Alright guys. No voice. Alright guys, I'm back with the finished look. I do think it's pretty. I think it's okay. I'm a perfectionist, so when a shape isn't exactly the same on both sides, it drives me insane. But with the lashes and the liner, I think it turned out okay. But let me zoom out. And yeah, I like my little jacket. It's super cold here, so I wanted a hoodie and some boots on today because I want to be super warm when I go out there. But anyway, thank you so much, Valarie, for asking to collab with me, even though I had a little bit of a struggle bus situation. I still really enjoyed doing this with you. I can't wait to see your look and for my followers to learn about you and your channel and to meet some new people from your channel as well. So if you're here from Valarie's channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you enjoyed your time here. So that's it for me, you guys. I got to get out there and get my shopping done. So thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. And yeah, I'm pretty sure I had lipstick on my teeth that whole time. But it's whatever. Bye, guys.
And I don't know what to do, but I know it's better with you. I was a wreck when you came along. When there was nothing left, you showed me the best. I'm still a mess, but you hold on.